The corona started from Wuhan, China. So we were in Sri Lanka and we didn't know about this virus. So it started spreading to the entire world. And then until one day we saw in the mobile a video about the virus warning us. So then when one infected the person came into the country, every place of Sri Lanka got locked down and shut in curfew. So like that, other countries got spreaded and it turned into a huge problem. And it turned into a big pandemic. Pandemic means a virus that's troubling the entire world. So, what is the end result of this virus? Staying home, your father and mother are working from home, some kids are having online classes, some of them are just sitting at home, some of them are playing or watching TV. So in this season, all of the family stays at home. No matter what, they can't go outside. Only if it's a lockdown, they can go outside for needed things. But if it's a curfew, you should not go out. Otherwise, you will be caught by the police. So I'm going to tell you how to keep us entertained at home and how to keep us safe in this pandemic. These are the two topics we are going to be talking about in this video. So, number one, safety first. So, how to keep us safe in this pandemic? Always follow these 5 rules. Number one, always wear a mask. Why? Because when you sneeze or cough, if you got the virus, then the droplets of the cough and sneeze will stay inside the mask, which means no spreading. And another thing, when you're sitting next to a person and imagine that person is a COVID positive. So if he cough, the virus will get absorbed in the atmosphere and come to me. But that can't happen because when we are wearing a mask, the virus can't go inside our nose and mouth, which means that we won't also get a virus. So it's very important to wear a mask. So the second thing, always wash your hands. Washing your hands for 20 seconds is really important. And if you're in a place where you can't access water and soap, carry a sanitizer with you. And you have to sanitize for 20 seconds as well. Number 3, do not loiter around. So, when you're going outside, you should not loiter around. You should only go outside for needed things. Like if you want to do some work outside, or if you want to buy groceries or buy medicine, something important, then only you should go outside. Number 4, always stay a meter from a person who is a stranger. So imagine a person is sitting next to you, and even though you're wearing a mask, you should stay a meter from the person who you are sitting next to. Number 5, do not touch surfaces. Only touch them with gloves on your hands. So imagine as a COVID positive person comes and gets exposed to the place, and then another person touches the place where COVID positive have already been, and then touches his face and then gets the virus. And then after that again, and it spreads and spreads and spreads. So, those are the things which we need to be careful of. Now, we are going to talk about the second thing. How should we keep us entertained at home? Imagine as you're stuck at home because there is a curfew in your country. So, you're feeling bored and saying, taste the onion and chilies and whatever. And I love saute. I feel like I'm a grown up. I feel like I'm a responsible and helpful person, and it gives me immense pleasure realizing that. So at least we can use this time to make new dishes At least Maggie. And another new habit. Why don't we start reading some books? I joined a library and I get so many nice books. I love those books and my reading speed increases day by day. So, also to make it a little interesting, in that library, they give badges when the series ends. So it makes me read very speed, and it makes my interest go more and more and more. So we can even go to a library, we can get nice books. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the Book Magic library which I'm going is actually in Vizag. No worries, you can join a library online. So you need to join a library which is having home delivery and ask them, I want home delivery. Then they'll share their catalog and pick a book. You can pick some books and they'll send the books you want home. How cool is that? During lockdown and you're sitting home, and automatically when you're doing all of these things, your books come in your home. That's cool. And also, you can do some arts and crafts. And I made a video about arts and crafts. I made Naruto kunai knives and shurikens. So like that, you can make some stuff, or you can make out of Legos or links. Check them in my channel. So you can use your imagination as your free virtual reality with your props. And that's it, I guess. Oh, wait, I forgot. I need to tell you something very important. So while you're doing online classes, people are not serious because they think that this is just online class and I can behave however I want, and they do nothing. They just relax without hearing what the teacher is saying. So you should not do that. It's a very bad thing. You need to consider this as a hard time for your teachers and concentrate. Discipline is a must, and that's the best we can do as kids. You need to follow the teacher's instructions, and you can consider online classes as some learning of the day. So we need to do this thing as well. You need to take care of yourself, because our parents will get tension and say, I need to take care of him and now I need to take care of myself as well. So we need to show our parents that we are responsible for ourselves. That's mostly important as well. So that's it. Thank you. Oh, and comment down if you have anything to share about your daily routine. And that would entertain me a lot. So